Hi, this is Olivia. Today we are going to meet the White House, America's most famous home. The White House is one of the most famous buildings in the world, and it serves as the official residence of the President of the United States. Located in the capital city of Washington, D.C., the White House is an iconic symbol of American power and democracy. Now, we will take a closer look at the history and significance of this important building. The White House was first built in 1792, during the presidency of George Washington. The building was designed by James Hoban, an Irish immigrant who won a competition to design the presidential mansion. The original White House was much smaller than the current one, with only 2 main floors and a small basement. In 1814, during the War of 1812, British soldiers set fire to the White House, causing significant damage. The building was repaired and restored, and over the years it underwent numerous renovations and expansions. Today, the White House has 6 floors, including the basement and the attic, and it covers an area of approximately 55,000 square feet. The White House is a beautiful neoclassical structure that features many impressive architectural elements. One of the most recognizable features is the central dome, which rises above the building and can be seen from many parts of the city. The dome is made of cast iron and is painted white, just like the rest of the building. The exterior of the White House is made of white painted sandstone, which gives the building its distinctive look. The building also features many columns, porticos, and balconies, as well as a large lawn and gardens that surround the property. The White House is a truly magnificent sight to behold, and it is easy to see why so many people visit it every year. The White House is not just a beautiful building, but it is also a functional home and workplace. The building contains many rooms and spaces that are used by the President and their staff, as well as for official events and ceremonies. Some of the most famous rooms in the White House include the Oval Office, the East Room, the Blue Room, and the State Dining Room. The Oval Office is the President's primary workspace and is located in the West Wing of the White House. The room features a large desk, many comfortable chairs, and a collection of important historical artifacts and memorabilia. The Oval Office is where the President meets with their advisors and makes many important decisions that impact the country. The East Room is the largest room in the White House and is often used for official events and ceremonies. The room features many beautiful paintings and decorations, as well as a stage and a large piano. The Blue Room is another famous space in the White House, and it is often used for receptions and social events. The room features a beautiful blue ceiling and many important works of art. The State Dining Room is where the President and their guests dine on official occasions. The room features a large dining table and many elegant decorations, as well as a portrait of George Washington on the wall. The White House contains many other rooms and spaces that are used for various purposes, including the White House kitchen, the Lincoln bedroom, and the Rose Garden. Visiting the White House is a dream for many people, but it is not always easy to do. The White House is a working residence and workplace, and it is not open to the public except for specific guided tours. These tours must be arranged well in advance and are subject to strict security protocols and background checks. I'll stop here. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this.